everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's big query tip, I'll show you how to avoid frustrating query errors using something called save functions. Whether you're casting data, dividing numbers, or dealing with arrays, these simple tools can save your query from crashing. So let's dive in. So, what are save functions? In BigQuery, when you try to cast a string like ABC into an integer using a regular cast, the query fails with an error. But with save underscore cast, BigQuery returns a null instead, allowing your query to keep running without breaking. You can find this and other save functions directly in BigQuery documentation. So let's open that up. Here's the official list of BigQuery functions. Under conversions, under conversion function, we have save underscore cast. Under mathematical function, we have save underscore divide. There are other functions too. So let's run a quick demo inside BigQuery console. I will simulate a small data set using unnest and try converting a few strings to integers. So select value, comma, save underscore cast value as int 64 as casted underscore value from unnest ten, comma 20, comma abc, comma 30 as well. Let's remove this save underscore cast for the meantime. See how it works. So it throws an error. Now if we add save underscore cast, so as you can see, valid values are converted just fine, but invalid ones are returning null. Let me add another one. And this is super helpful when working with messy data. Now let's look at a couple of more safe functions that can protect your queries. So we start with save underscore divide. So select dividend, comma, divisor, comma, save underscore divide, dividend, comma divisor, as result from honest struct 100 as dividend, comma 10 as divisor, comma 50, 0, 75, 25. Yeah, okay, there's an error. Let's run this. Normally, dividing by 0 throws an error. See, but with save underscore divide, it just returns null. Perfect for calculation where you might not know about the denominator. Let's try another one. This is save underscore offset select value, select the red, comma green, comma blue, and then save underscore offset say to as color underscore in underscore bounce, comma, and let me copy this. Okay, let me make this as 5, and this is out, and this will be semicolon. So the array starts with 0, 1, 2. So this should return blue. This should throw an error. So we are trying to access an index that does not exist in the array. The safe underscore offset returns null instead of crashing. So if we want to ignore the bad values, we'll just add a where clause. So select value, comma, casted underscore value from, and where casted underscore value is not null. So now we are keeping only the values and the rows that are valid. Perfect for dashboards or ETL jobs where bad data should be skipped silently. Let's try another one with safe underscore cast. So with raw underscore data as select, we'll give a date 01 as event underscore date union null, and then let me copy this, paste, and union all, and then copy again. Let me change this to not a date, and we can change this date to say 01. Now let me write select event underscore date, comma, save underscore cost, event underscore date as date, okay. What's the column name? We'll keep it as past underscore date from raw underscore data, raw underscore data. So there you go. So with just a few save functions like save underscore cast, save underscore divide, save underscore offset, you can make your BigQuery workflows much more robust and error proof. If you're working with external or unpredictable data, these are lifesavers. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like and drop a comment with your favorite BigQuery tip. If you have got questions, please drop a comment. I've got more hands-on SQL tricks coming up, so stay tuned. By the way, these functions are super useful in real-time data pipelines, where errors could stop the whole process. So let me know if you want a follow-up video on using safe functions inside scheduled queries or data flow jobs. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.